Today I would like to show you how to fix your Facebook account that has been suspended 180 days. So that you need to log in your Facebook account into the Facebook app. Right now I am going to my Facebook app here. This is the account that has been suspended 180 days and I have been logged in already here. So that you see here, right, record a video of yourself. To make sure that you are a real person, we need you to record a video selfie. We'll ask you to remove your heading during the recording to help us capture your face at different angles. Right now, let's go to the option record video. Tip for a good selfie. First, use a well-lit area. Second, hold your phone at eye levels. And the last one is follow or must follow the instructions on the screen during your working, so that you need to follow up instruction. Your video will be stored securely and deleted within 30 days after we have finished confirming your identity. The Facebook store your identity or your videos around 30 days after confirming. It will be deleted automatically. Right now, let's go to the option start selfie. Enable access to your camera so that you can record a video selfie. Let's go to the option left. I would like to choose the option while using app. Submit your video selfie. Thanks for completing these steps. Submit this video to help us confirm that you are a real person. Right now, let's go to the option submit. Check together your identity confirmation in progress. We usually review your information within 48 hours. We'll send you a notification once we have made a decision, so that you need to wait, or you should wait 48 hours. Let's go to the option finished. I would like to inform you that this one, the last step. If we find that your account doesn't follow our community standards, it will be permanently disabled and you won't be able to appeal again. You need to wait if you fail for appealing, so that you cannot restore your account if you success, so that you can use it again. Hello guys, right now let's check the result together. Before I have been shown you all the way how to fix suspended 180 days of your Facebook account. Now check the result together. I go to my Facebook app. Let's see the result. Wow, so nice. I have been done my work. It has been approved. I hope that my show or my tips is very useful for you and can help you fix your problem. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.